do the intro for this vlog.
Hey guys, welcome back to episode 21 with my girl Ash. She's still here.
Today
Why do you guys keep saying she's still here?
She's still here, gosh. Today we're doing the Jurassic Park Kualoa Ranch tour. It's where all the Jurassic Park movies were filmed, and 50 First Dates, and Lost, and Hawaii 5-0, and there's tons of movies that were filmed here. So, and we get to see all the sets and like all the props and all that. So it should be pretty fun.
Gang, gang.
Almost 40 feet high.
Okay, this is her.
Start beating me up. Make it look good.
Give me the wallet. Okay, Haole, what do you think? You can come to this island, eat our pineapple, Haole. Oh!
Yeah, that's right.
I think he's had enough. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, my eye!
Are those meat eating? Suitcase.
Ashlyn's leaving. Thank God. She's been here for like 4 years, I feel like.
Jeremy, you literally just said that. It feels like I just got here.
We see you.
Hi. I've never seen it from this angle before.
How do you like it?
It's kind of weird.
Now you know how I feel.
How was your trip in Hawaii?
It was
so good. It was
So
good.
I don't know how you put up with us,
Because y'all are, well, I mean, Bree's my best friend.
yeah.
But I like Jeremy.
Good to hear.
Yeah, I mean, I dealt with him for 10 days. It's no big deal.
dealt with him.
Well, I'm glad you had a good time.
Yeah,
and,
thanks to the Haole for putting up with me and showing me their little island.
All right, well, until next time.
Bye.
Say bye to the Haole vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
Drive safe.
Bye. What's up, guys? Today is Saturday. Bree and I have kind of been slacking on the vlogging this week because it was the first week of school, and you know, that could be a little stressful, just trying to figure your classes out and stuff, so we've been kind of busy with that. And Bree's parents are here this week. They're visiting for 10 days. They came here for the Sony Open golf tournament in Honolulu. Their friend Stuart Sink, the pro golfer, he's playing in this tournament, so they came to watch him. And we went to dinner with him and his wife last night, and that was really cool. They're like super nice people. Today, we're gonna go to the beach and hang out for a little bit. But first, Bree's gotta go to Ulta, as usual. She doesn't even know what she wants to get, but she says that she needs something, so whatever that means.
She doesn't need to know what she's gonna get or something. Look at my new nails.
Oh yeah, and Bree got her nails done yesterday / today.
Today.
And she wants me to show them to you.
So cute. Come on. Hey guys. We just got done at Ulta. Honestly, I literally grabbed 4 things. They're not even that significant. But I decided I'll show you anyways because Jaden said she would like to see what I got last time, and I didn't show everyone. So this time I'm gonna show everyone.
Shout out to Jaden.
Shout out to Jaden. I just got too many dry shampoos because it's really humid over here and my hair gets greasy really fast. So I got a blonde one, and then this one's just a tropical flavor. Real basic. And then I got a new eyebrow, well, it's an angled liner brush. It's just the Ulta kind. Nothing special. I just needed a new eyebrow thing. But I'm so excited because I only brought like 2 palettes with me to Hawaii because I don't know. I only brought 2 with me. I honestly don't know why. So I don't have that many colors to choose from, like when I wear makeup or eyeshadow. So I got a new one. I got the Jaclyn Hill, not the Jaclyn Hill palette, but the one, she made like 4 different palettes with Morphe. Literally can't open it. Oh, okay. Okay, this one's called Armed and Gorgeous. Okay, shit, I can't. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love all these colors. Anywho, I'm excited to use it. Now we're off to the beach. Okay, bye.
So we're over on the west side of the island by, there's some resorts over here. And it's pretty nice. It's not like Waikiki, it's not in the city, which is nice. But we're over at this little secret beach, and there's supposed to be some turtles. So hopefully we can find some turtles. This beach is pretty cool. We got to see some turtles. We had a fun week back on the school grind. Thank you guys for watching as usual. and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like.
Ooh, sorry.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next week.
Bye.